everyone! Welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to customize drink cozies for any occasion. I picked up these drink cozies on Amazon, and they are 100% neoprene. I'll include a link in the description below. For this project, you need some iron-on vinyl, or heat transfer vinyl, which is HTV for short. Start out by cutting your HTV to size. If you haven't used HTV before, there are two different sides. The shiny side is the carrier sheet, and the more matte side is the actual vinyl. Make sure you put the shiny side down on the mat and mirror your image in Design Space before you cut out your design. Pop it into your machine and it'll take care of the cutting. Use your weeder tool to pull off the background. I have my heat mat underneath the drink cozy, and I'll start by preheating the neoprene. Just give it a quick press for about 5 seconds. I'll place the design into position, and then stick it on using my Easy Press 2. For neoprene, you need to set your press to 280 degrees for 20 seconds. Once it is cool to the touch, you can pull off the transfer sheet. These are done and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.